Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, if you want advanced email automation and CRM features, ActiveCampaign is a powerful choice. So in today's small tutorial, I will show you exactly how to integrate Shopify with ActiveCampaign in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna go all the way to ActiveCampaign website. We're gonna go there, create or even log in, and make sure your account is fully active. So just go using your favorite browser, look for ActiveCampaign or just tap activecampaign.com. And it's gonna take you to the home screen or main menu there where you should basically sign in. Then we're gonna go all the way back to install ActiveCampaign app in Shopify. Go to your Shopify store, make sure you log in using your email address and password, then go through this app section. Shopify App Store, then go and look for ActiveCampaign here. Okay, let's go ActiveCampaign marketing. Make sure you install the app, basically connect it also, authorize the integration, then enable the contact and other thing. This allows customer and purchase data to synchronize properly. Then map Shopify fees, match email, name, and even some order data correctly. Create an automation as well. Set up a post purchase or abandoned cart automation. You can also give it a small test, trigger an event and confirm it. It appears in the active campaign. And that's basically it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.